Welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use the Adobe Scan app. Basically, make sure you've downloaded the Adobe Scan from any platform. So once you've clicked on Adobe Scan, make sure you click on sign in with Google or sign up. The sign up option is if you do not have an account. So I'm going to be going with my Google account for this tutorial. So make sure you log on to your Adobe Scan account. All right, welcome to Adobe Scan. Your scans will be processed in and saved in Adobe Cloud Storage. All right, you're going to have to give it some permissions, so we're going to be allowing it. Allow to send notifications. All right, tap the screen when you're ready to scan, and we'll find the borders and take the photo for you. All right, so at the bottom of your screen, you have a horizontal row where you can simply scroll and select the whiteboard. That's if you need to scan a book. There's an option to scan a whiteboard, books, documents, ID cards, business cards as well. Now, in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of this. The home icon at the top left, click on this home icon, and you're going to find your Adobe scans. At the top left, if you click on it, this is your account settings where you can work on your preferences, like your theme and the English and the language and the use of cellular data. All right, now once you're done here, you could also use the search icon to search for scans or names. The icon at the top right can be used to select how you view your scans. You can select multiple items to delete. You can create a new folder, or you could view files across Adobe online. Now, if you were to head to the camera icon, you're taken directly to your Adobe Scan camera where you can scan a document. So let's go ahead and scan a document. All right, so once you have a document that you'd like to scan, all you need to do is click on it and it's going to look through your document. As you can see, it's capturing it and it says to hold steady. All right, so once you've captured the scan using the auto detect feature, you could reposition your scan or your document. As you can see, that's what I'm actually trying to do here. All right, boom. So welcome to the Adobe Scan. We have the crop feature, we have the rotate, filters, adjust, clean up, mark up, as well as resize. So let's go ahead and rotate it back. All right, so with the crop feature, you could simply crop out fingers and other unessentials in your document. You could make sure the document is captured in a straight form or manner. Boom. And you could also use the cleanup feature to remove any bends and stuff. So it tells you drag over areas to be erased, zoom in for better positioning. So you could simply erase text as well. As you can see, that text is gone. I could just do this to erase text and it's gone. So click on this and boom, it's been cleaned up. You could delete this. You could also make use of the markup feature to draw on your scan. So let's go ahead and draw. Now, if you were to do this, you've simply marked up your document and you could also remove the markup feature. You could remove them. And if you click on this, you're done. And if you click on the top, you can also name your document. As I showed earlier, you could search all documents, which means you could also edit the name of your document. All right. You could add filters, adjust the brightness. You could keep on scanning if there's more of the document you need to capture. All right. So let's go ahead and click on Save PDF. So it's basically saving this. And boom, here's our first PDF. All right, so if you were to click on the More icon at the bottom, you'd find the option to copy to your device, which is basically getting your own copy on your device. You could click on Copy to send it to either a Google Drive, OneDrive, or your Microsoft Teams account. Let's head back. You could export this, but I believe this is a premium feature. You could combine files. You could even set a password on your document. You could compress it. You could sign on it, modify, rename, and the rest of that good stuff. So to copy to your device, click on Copy to Device, and then you'd be asked where you would like this scan to be saved, and just click on Save and it's stored there. And if you click on the Share option, which is basically sharing a link to access your files, you could click on Next. Now you could simply share this as either a link or a PDF. So click on Share as a PDF, And now you're met with the option to share this across various social media platforms, but mostly WhatsApp and your Google Drive documents. So you could easily share this as a PDF and get it sent across. All right, and that's everything about scanning documents. Now let's go ahead and scan some other things like ID cards and QR codes. So you could use your Adobe Scan to scan your QR codes. You could use it to scan documents, as I did earlier, and you could also use it to scan ID cards. All right, so the process of scanning an ID card is quite simple. You give it time to capture the ID, and this is the ID card scan option. You could edit this. You could make sure it aligns properly like we did with the document, and you could simply save this as a PDF by clicking on Save as PDF, and boom, the card has been registered and has been saved to your Adobe account. And you can share this as I had done earlier in the tutorial. And if you click on the camera option again, now you can get the second page of your ID. Once you've scanned the first, you can get the second page as well. And this is the back of your ID card, and that's how you can perform ID card scans. So once you click on done, click on save, your ID card is then going to get saved as a PDF, which you could simply access any point in time you need it. Alright guys, and that's how you can simply access the Adobe Scan app. That's how you can make use of the ID card scan features and some other features. Comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.